So this is what we'll do. Hold on, watch here. Don't press. So this is how we simply sew. We're just here going to teach you how to change a broken needle, because it's a very common problem with sewing. Here's the actual sewing machine that we have here that was tuned up for $98. Very expensive, and it's a great price for a nice tune-up. So to change a needle on a Singer, you have to use this part right here to loosen the needle. So we watch here. This will bring the needle out like that. Okay. Now what we'll do is take it out. Okay, pull the string out. Okay, so if we pull that string out like that, there we go. And now you can see the needle is removed from the location. I need you to see that you can buy them in a pack like this. It's a pack. Okay, so make sure it says the brand of your sewing machine. And you can then open up the plastic, take your needle out, and we're going to put it back in. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll pull that needle out. Okay, so let's see. There it is. Now okay, so we'll take now up in here. You'll just kind of feel around, and you press it up in there. Press it up in there, and you tighten it. Tighten it like that, and now your needle is inside. And you just go ahead and take your thread and put it through the hole, which will take a little bit of time. You could switch different areas. We want to put it in the middle, like that. Okay, so now when you're done with the needles, you take all the pieces and you put them in a very nice safe spot where they don't fall off the shelf. So I like to use this container here. So they have my bobby pins, earrings, rings. It's very nice. And just keep it up there. A nice ashtray will work just fine. So now your needle is adjusted and it's ready to sew. It's just needs the thread adjustment. Now up here, you can put it on the left side, and then the needle you'll see it move to on the left, and then this is the middle, and that's the right, middle, left. So we'll keep it in the middle. So thanks for watching. That is how you rethread and change your needle. Just to renew the steps, you have to unloosen it with this part, and then you pull it down from here, and then you just put a new one up. Take the